Hello everyone, welcome to day 137 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Picasso whip stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a multiple of 18 plus 2. I have a total of 38 stitches on my hook. So now you're going to start off by making one single crochet. You're going to skip the very first chain and make one single crochet into the next one. Now you're going to chain 3. You're going to skip 2, and then into the third chain you're going to make one single crochet. Now chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and you're going to skip 3. So chain 3 skips 2, chain 5 skips 3. Okay, and you're going to make one single crochet. Again chain 5, 2 3 4 5, skip 3, make one single crochet. Again chain 3, 1 2 3, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 3 and make one single crochet. Now you're again going to continue making this part. So chain 3, skip 2 and one single crochet. So from here on it's going to be a repeat. That is, you again start off from chain 3, skip 2 and make till here. So again chain 3, skip 2 single crochet, chain 5, skip 3 single crochet thrice, 1 2 3 4 5, and skip 3, make one single crochet, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Again okay, and your work should end with chain 3, skip 2 and single crochet into the last chain. Okay, so we are done with the setup row. Now you are going to chain 3, turn your work and make one double crochet into the very first single crochet. Okay, now again chain 3 and you're going to make one single crochet into the very first chain 5 space. Now into the second chain 5 space you're going to start by making your first row of shell stitches. So basically each of these shells are worked in 3 rows, so we are going to do this row right here. So into this second chain 5 space you're going to make 9 double crochet stitches. It's 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, now you're going to make one single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and here we have 2 chain 3 spaces here. you're going to make three double crochets into this single crochet space. So chain 3, and into this space you're going to make 3 double crochets. Okay, again chain 3, chain 3, and one single crochet into this chain 5 space. Okay, so the chain 5 spaces are for the shell, and the chain 2 space is for the chain 3 space is for the 3 double crochet. Now into the middle chain 5 space you're again going to make 9 double crochet stitches. Make one single crochet into the next chain 5 space. Okay, now you're going to repeat this part till the length of your work. So that is into the you're going to anchor the shell on either side of the chain 5 space and make the shell in the middle. Then you're going to make the 3 double crochet, chain 3 on either sides, and 3 double crochet in between the 2 chain 3 space. Okay, and you're going to repeat the whole thing till the end of your work. So once you reach the end of the work, that is, you will be left with one chain 3 space, where you will just directly chain 3 and make 2 double crochet stitches onto the last single crochet we have. So start of the work and the end of the work, it starts with 2 double crochet, chain 3, and the work ends with 3 chain and 2 double crochet. So this is row 1 of the shell. Now for the row 2, you're going to chain 1, turn your work and make 2 single crochet stitches on top of the double crochet stitches that you just made. Okay, chain 1. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet right here. Okay, so this is the second row of the shell where you're just making 1 double crochet, chain 1, and into the next one 1 double crochet, chain 1. Into each of the shell stitches you're going to make 1 double crochet and a chain 1. So 9 1 double crochet and a chain 1. Okay, now again chain 1, and you're going to make 3 single crochet on top of the 3 double crochets which are right here. Okay, and again chain 1, move on to the next shell, and start making your double crochet chain 1 on top of these shells. Again, you're going to repeat this till the end of the row, and once you reach the final 2 double crochet stitches, or the chain 3 and a double crochet stitch from the previous row, we are going to make one single crochet on top of those 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, so we have 9 double crochets and a chain 1. Now again, I've already made one chain. You're going to make one single crochet on top of the double crochet and one single crochet on top of the chain 3 from the previous row. So that is row number 3. Now for row number 4, you're again going to chain 1, turn your work, make one single crochet onto the next single crochet. The chain 1 counts as one single crochet. Sorry, this chain 1 doesn't count as one single crochet. You just directly chain 1 and make one single crochet here. Now you're going to again make one double crochet, chain 1, again one double crochet, chain 1. On top of the double crochet stitches, you're again going to make one double crochet. Okay. So once you have 4 stitches, into the middle one, we are going to make the setup row for the next shell. So you're just going to make one double crochet, chain 1 and one double crochet into the same space. That is, this is the 5th double crochet that you're making the V stitch. Again chain 1, continue with your one double crochet, chain 1. Now once you reach the 3 single crochet space here, you're just going to make one single crochet on top of the middle single crochet, which is right here. Again start with your next double crochet, chain 1 stitch. So make sure you do it only on top of the double crochets, because you can easily mistake this portion right here. This is the chain 3 as double crochet. So again 4 double crochet, chain 1, and into the 5th one you're going to make a V stitch. 2. Now into the 5th one you're going to make the V stitch and continue with your double crochet, chain 1, and single crochet on top of the last stitch which is right here. Now moving on to the next row, where you start off with 7 chains. 1 2 3 4 5. The chain 5 counts as 1 triple crochet, and you're going to add 3 more chains. Turn your work, and you're going to skip the very first chain 1 space and make 1 single crochet onto the next one. Again chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, skip 1, make 1 single crochet. Again chain 5, you're going to skip the V stitch, and into this one next one you're going to make 1 single crochet. So basically this is the setup row for the shells. Your So this is your first chain 3 space, this is your chain 5 space, this is your chain 5 space, one more chain 5 space, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 1, into the next one you're going to make 1 this thing single crochet. Now we have 3 chain 5 spaces to make the shells, and we have a chain 3 space to start off the row, and now we need the single crochet space, that is chain 2, chain 3 and single crochet space in between which we'll be making this 3 double crochet. So we need that space. So for that you're going to chain 3 and make 1 triple crochet into this single crochet from the previous row. So yarn over twice, and you're going to make 1 triple crochet. This is where you'll be crocheting on top of the triple crochet, you'll be crocheting the 3 double crochet stitches in the next row. Okay, again you're going to chain 3, skip the very first stitch here and make 1 single crochet. You're going to chain 5, you're going to skip 1, and into this one you're going to make 1 single crochet. Again chain 5, you're going to skip the V stitch which is right here, and you're going to make 1 single crochet, and chain 5 again. You're going to skip 1, make 1 single crochet, then you chain 3, and here you're going to skip 1, into the last single crochet you're going to make a double crochet stitch. Okay, now here we have the setup row for the next row of shell stitches. You start off with a chain 3, you're just going to repeat row number 2, okay, which is this row, the shell row, all over again. You're just going to chain 3, turn your work, and make 1 more double crochet on the same stitch. Again chain 3, make 1 single crochet on the first chain 1 space, make 9 double crochets onto the middle of the middle chain 5 space. Okay, and then single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and you chain 3, and you're going to skip this chain 3, and you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches on top of the triple crochet which is right here. Again chain 3, single crochet onto this chain 5 space, 9 double crochet onto this chain 5 space, then single crochet on the next chain 5 space. You reach the final triple crochet, where on top of the chain 5 you're going to count 5, 1 2 3 4 5. You're going to make 2 double crochet stitches ending your row. Now from here on it is just the repeat row. You can just crochet from, so we have just done row number, this row is row number 2, which is here. So row 2, 3, 4 and 5. You're just going to repeat that over and over again. This is row number 5. So the 6th row is row 2, 7th row is row 3, 8th row is row 4, 9th row is again row 5, again 10th row will be this row. So just like this, you have to keep repeating till you reach the length that you want. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can DM us on our Insta page. And I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.